Hey guys, welcome back to another vlog. My name is Cara, this is my channel local, and if you're here, I live in Seoul and I make vlogs around Seoul. So last weekend I went to Jine, and there's like a famous place for like cherry blossoms. But when I come back from Seoul, I'm like, the cherry blossoms here are also like really pretty now. It came a bit earlier than expected, I feel like. And I've been told that there's like a street in Hapjeong that they are really pretty, similar to Shincheon. So I have some work to do, and Laura was like, "Wanna go to a cafe?" So we decided to go to a cafe around that area, so we can see like the cherry blossoms and do our things. Today the weather is also like really good, so let's go see some cherry blossoms, do our work, and come back home. Let's go. There's this one, but this one was not there. Which one you like better? Which one you like better?
I don't see that one.
I can't. With all my respects, but I don't feel like, you know?
Oh, yeah.
Oh. 안녕하세요. No, it's okay. 안녕하세요. And there's tiramisu. 감사합니다. Whee! Oh, I like the glass. Oh, I like this.
This is yes, right?
Yeah.
This. This
Cute.
makes sense. Però em va dir una cosa de potser quan seria com cada mes doncs sí, no sé, però cada
Ignore my hair, but even the blueberry is cute. What is this? Oh, this place though. There's water. Cute. Dun 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 dun. Oh, do you get inside that door?
I can't.
Okay. I think so. How does that work? Amazing. I like it though. Dun dun. But I'm not sure if the dun dun or. This is cute. In a weird way. Look at him. Look at him. Look at him. They're so cute. See, the street is full. Ay, morir. Wow. It's real pretty. Chinese barbecue house. I have no idea. Yeah, me too, actually. I'm always hungry. Wow. It's so pretty. Wow. Is it open? Oh yeah, it is. Is there like, I think so. But we can just,
We can
yeah.
write down. I can write.
How? Oh,
두 분이신가요?
네.
네.
And yeah, sure. Look, it's this menu. This is menu. Yeah. Yeah.
지금 들어가는 소리는 헤링으로요.
It's so good.
This looks amazing.
It's really good, actually. It's really good, yeah. Hey guys, I'm going now. Oh wait, I'm missing my rings. Good thing that I saw that. But yeah, I'm going now with my friends, with Adriana, Laura, and Bomi, which is a Korean friend that we have that we met in Barcelona like a long time ago. And it's really hard to meet. So today we're meeting all together. We're going around Mullae area. We saw like a barbecue place that looks really cute. The thing is, I think Mullae on Friday night is gonna be packed. So we're gonna go try, and if not, we're gonna walk around and go somewhere else. I don't know, I mean, Seoul weekends is a struggle, so let's go and... Cherry blossoms! They are so cute. But Give me now. This is a cute cafe. Yeah. I have several, si no sos paso. Look, it's cute. What is that?
John?
Oh, it's cute, then. If not, there's John. What is this?
Cherry pincho.
Ah, pincho. Oh, pinchito. That. Okay, let's see. Maybe it's a flop. Is a line?
I don't know.
Give me. Oh no, I have the sound stuck. Ah no, maybe not.
You played yourself.
I play myself, I know. Wow. Okay. Oh, sí que ya waiting. Wow. Vamos. Have a reunion.
The humans in between.
The humans in between, we hate humans. ¿Cuántos? Ah, bueno.
Estos
Apuntamos, ¿no? Y si no, no. Y si no, no. Sí, ¿qué tienen por aquí? No. What are we gonna say? 2 things? I think.
Just please wait in front of us.
Ah, okay. Well, never mind. We're going to the other place. We stayed Laura and me in one place, and Adriana and Pomi in another place, and we're going to the other place.
Yay.
Eat. It's been an hour. Eat. Yeah. I think this lighting is really bad. Dale. Me encanta. But I want a drink. Tera. Pero que feu decidim ja, però.
De gusano. Y me dijo, ¿quién más? Y digo,
Yeah. Cute.
Vale. Okay.
Vale. Thank you. It's cute.
It's cute. Oh. Cute.
Oh, yeah. Es cute este place.
Muy random, ¿verdad?
Sí. Ay.
Igual es aquí. Sí. No comes eso de aquí.
Okay. La de aquí, sí. I think so. Let's go. Is it? Bruscar?
I don't see the name.
Oh, it's not Bruscar. Where is Bruscar? I have no idea. Where is Bruscar? ¿Es aquí?
Suka.
Okay.
yo pensaba que ponía Ivo.
A ver si hay sitio, porque también puede ser que no, ¿sabes? Un horror.